This is the Fernando design that's under construction out at Currumbin Valley. We came here a couple of weeks ago just to see the frames going up. You can see it's now got the cladding and the doors and windows and roof on. Just going to have a quick look through. So this is quite a steep block of land. And you can see that we've designed it so it just follows the natural contours of the site. Got bolt-on footings, so it's got a pad footing and then the posts are bolted on top. And it's got a bearer and joist system using C-sections. Using a combination of different materials on the outside. This is the Hard Effects with a board and batten look. So traditional sort of beachside sort of construction. It's got oversized gutters. And this is the Merbau decking that we use on all our houses. So it is fire rated. This is in a bushfire zone. On about 10 acres. Good use of louvers. Fixed glass.